So, this thing does so much freaking damage. As you can see in the corner, it's so powerful. But its melee attacks kind of suck, so it kind of balances. Oh, look at that, 203. $322 and 2 something. I couldn't catch that. And this thing is powerhouse in together mode. Together mode. More than half the time, I one-shot people with the side dash charge shot. And that completely missed. Of course, it's a club, thus, the further away you get, the less damage this one does. Still fun to mess around with. I mean, look at that. 320 something? I've had it go from that to... I mean, that's just stupid powerful. These are its stats. It's only value 300. Just to prove a point. I love doing this. I don't know why. It's amusing. I'm just gonna slap ya. So, this is my overpowered skyscraper club. Mega laser, health recovery, crisis recovery, effect recovery. Why do I have a throwing boost? And random. Hey.